Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing good today. Today I am going to deliver a speech and the speech title is A Visit to a Haunted House. Let's get started. How many of you believe in ghosts? Although I don't believe in ghosts, but as I was growing up in my childhood, my grandmother used to share a lot of ghost stories with me. And every time I heard a ghost stories from her, I started believing that ghosts exist and they exist in a dark, lonely place. I used to share these ghost stories with my friends as well. So one fine day, one of my friend, Hari, decided to give us a proposal. Now Hari, a very cunning guy and a heavily built, came towards us and told us, "Hey friends, we have heard lot of ghost stories from Gopal. Now let's go and visit a haunted house. There is a haunted house few kilometers from here, and I have heard that there are some sounds that used to come from that haunted house. Though we will visit in the daytime, but let's go ahead and try out." Initially, I was quite reluctant to go there, but then the logical part of my brain told me, "You are visiting the haunted house in the daytime, and your grandmother told me that the ghosts come generally in night time, so there is no problem. I can always visit a haunted house in daytime." I somehow got convinced and I told Hari, "Yes, Hari, let's go." Now, after agreeing to Hari's request, Hari started sharing us why that house has become a haunted house. There used to stay a couple in the haunted house, and every day the husband and the wife used to fight. So one fine day, the husband decided to kill the wife. So it was the midnight 12 o'clock, and as the wife was sleeping and was in deep sleep, husband took the pillow and pressed wife's face tightly and didn't leave it until the wife gave up her breath and died. That night, somehow the husband took her body and threw that in the nearby river. After 2 days, the husband started observing some paranormal activity in the house, such as the fan started rotating automatically, the door kept opening automatically. And looking at all this, he got scared. He felt that a ghost came inside the house and he immediately left the house the very next day. And from that day onwards, nobody could dare to enter that house. Now, when Hari shared this, I got really scared. I told Hari, no, I can't go there. On that, Hari told, "Hey, come on, boy. We're visiting in daytime. Nothing to worry. Let's go there." Somehow, though I was not ready, but I was okay to try that out. So the next day, in the daytime, we started walking towards that haunted house. And on reaching towards that house, we saw that at the front gate it was written, "Do not enter." And the front gate was even locked as well. So I was scared again. I was thinking that my mom cooked a delicious fish curry at home, and will I be ever try out that fish curry if I enter the house today? Hari, on the other hand, figured out a way to enter the house from the back side. The back wall was small, and we can easily jump from that wall and enter the house. So though I was very reluctant to not enter, but somehow Hari pushed us, all of us showed that bravery, and we finally entered the house. And the moment we are near the front door of the house, we saw that the front door was not locked. We were amazed. The front gate was locked, the front door is not locked. And it was open. And Hari pushed all of us inside the house. And the moment I entered the house, my eyes got caught into one of the room where I saw a strange object that was moving. I decided to figure out what is that. And the moment I entered the house, I saw that the door got locked. And to add to my fear, the fan started rotating. I got really scared. I started screaming, "Help! Someone, please help me!" And then I saw the door opened and 3 faces started coming from that side. I really got scared and I screamed and I cried, "Please don't kill me, please, please." And to add to my surprise, those 3 faces are the faces of my friend who entered the house and who brought me there to make a fool out of me. Yes, they want me to get fooled that day because that was 1st April and it was April Fool Day. I got fooled by wrong ghost story. That house belongs to Hari's uncle, and Hari's uncle was not there in the town at that point of time. So he planned the entire thing. I was really very surprised to know that. And from that day onwards, somehow the belief in ghost has disappeared in my life. And I never got scared from my grandmother's stories anymore. And from that day onwards, I learned a very important lesson, 2 very important lessons. Number 1, never ever meet your friend on April Fool's Day. You never know what kind of fool they will make out of you or how they are going to fool you. And second, even if they call you and try to reach you and tell you that they are dying, do not believe that crap. Tell them to postpone the crap the next day so that at least it is not April Fool Day. So friends, that is it. That is my short journey to a short visit to a so-called haunted house. And I hope all of you have enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you so much.